Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by equipping the Chroma Banana into your primary ability slot and confirming it's selected. Once done, make sure your energy meter reads at least 50% so the banana fires at full power. This matters because damage scales with charge. Next, lock onto the nearest wave crest to guarantee trajectory alignment. Use a quick tap to charge, then a short hold to prime. The initial activation sequence determines dispersion, so don't skip verifying the cooldown readout first. You now refine aim and timing during the mid-combo. Hold your aim for roughly 0.5 to 1, 2 seconds to widen the banana's energy spread. This increases hit probability on clustered targets. Then, immediately use a surge dash to reposition. This moves the impact zone and amplifies knockback where needed. Also, make sure to monitor the minimap for incoming ripples so you can angle the blast into their path. Mixing hold duration with movement creates a controlled wave of damage and crowd control. You finish the sequence by releasing a fully charged shot to deliver the highest burst, and then immediately deploy a neutralizer gadget within 2 seconds to lock enemies down. This final pairing converts damage into secure eliminations. If things go wrong, say the banana misfires or deals low damage, first check the cooldown and energy, then re-equip the item and reset your input timing. One troubleshooting tip: if misfires persist, perform a quick weapon swap to clear state and repeat the activation slowly to resynchronize timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.